Hey everybody, it's Nylon. I have here, I'll show you this. This is the box it came in, I guess. Oh, it's pretty nondescript. But it comes with the pedals for bikes. So you can have, so if you have like a bike here, this one here has the old school pedals on them, like just regular pedals, you know. Just regular bike pedals. Nothing wrong with them. They are just bike pedals. But if you want to ride with like road bikes, you need to have something like these. So this one here, what it will do is it'll take off the old pedal and put this one on here, and then we put this cleat to the bottom of our shoe. Like this one here has an SPD mountain bike shoe cleat. This one here, Peloton one has its Peloton, it's very similar to this one here. You can probably use that as well. And so you put the cleat on the bottom of your shoe. You have this in here, and then you can just go and put it in there and clip in, clip out. So if you want to start using clips, this is a good way to just switch out your existing bike onto using the clip-in. So this is going to be the road bike clips. That's like what the Peloton uses, the road bike, those big one, triangle ones, versus the mountain bike ones like that. And so it comes with, I'll show you what we get with it here. We have these two, one for each side of the pedals, and it looks like these are going to roll really good. Look, they spin really nice. They have a good turning. It's got like something inside of it to just make it go smooth. I don't know. And you can tighten up the spring on how well it's going to clip in. So we have two of those. We have two different colors of clips. So like if I have blues and my fiance has the other color. And then we have all the various screws and adapters and things like that to screw it into your biking shoes. So this is great. So if you just get some universal biking shoes, you're able to screw these in there, and you can have a mountain bike, or not a mountain bike, a road bike clips in there. So really cool to have, totally handy. I'm gonna be switching out, not this bike, I'm gonna be switching out this bike, this bike up here that has the SPD, the mountain bike ones, because it's a road bike. I wanna be road biking with it. So there we go, thumbs up.